Sorry, dear students, this lesson you will be having two videos. Reason being, again there was a disturbance of the incoming call. I have rejected it and I have put it on the flight mode. Now it is not going to disturb us. Okay, let's continue our study. Where we were? We were at what? Frequency. Number of vibrations made per second. Yes. Here when you are seeing this simple pendulum which we were doing in lab, it is taking a lot of time. More than a second it is taking to complete one vibration. But here when we say frequency, number of vibrations, that means there are objects. This fork is vibrating 341 times. 341 times in 1 second. These forks. ये जो छोटे वाला है 512. ये हम पढ़ेंगे जब पिच, लाउडनेस एंड पिच एंड क्वालिटी हम साउंड की नेक्स्ट लेसन में करेंगे. वॉइस व्हेन द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज हाई, वॉइस बिकम श्रिल. वॉइस बिकम श्रिल. एम्पलीट्यूड जो है वो लिंक किससे करता है? एम्पलीट्यूड इज लिंक्ड विद व्हाट? Loudness and the feebleness of the voice. Amplitude, this displacement from the central mean position. ये थोड़ा आपस में co-linked है. Amplitude and this you can say frequency and loudness, pitch. ये थोड़ा next जो topic है. We will try to make it simple, but bit उलझा हुआ है आपस में. लेकिन हम बहुत सिंपल वे में इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने की ट्राई करेंगे. हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी. दैट इज नंबर ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस मेड पर सेकेंड एंड इट्स यूनिट इज हर्ट्ज. यूनिट इज हर्ट्ज. क्या बच्चों, इफ एनी बॉडी इज वाइब्रेटिंग लेस देन 20 टाइम्स इन ए सेकेंड और इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी इज लेस देन 20, the sound produced is so low that is not audible. वो हम सुन नहीं सकते. We are unable to hear. We are at least 20 hertz, यानी 20 vibrations per second तो होना चाहिए. तो वो object, then only that object will make that much sound which our ears can hear. Where our ears can hear. ठीक है? तो 20 हर्ट्ज. इससे कम है तो हमें सुनाई नहीं देगी. अब जैसे ये है तो हम इसको करते हैं बच्चों. फ्रीक्वेंसी तो है बट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी साउंड ऑफ दिस वाइब्रेटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट पेंडुलम. व्हाई? इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इवन लेस देन 1 एंड व्हाट वी वांट, फ्रीक्वेंसी शुड बी मोर देन 20. So that sound is being produced by this object, a vibrating object also, because our first statement is every vibrating object produces sound. Sound is produced by a vibrating object. ये भी तो वाइब्रेट कर रहा है. धीरे है तो क्या हुआ? स्लो है तो क्या हुआ? Yes, but it is not audible. Audible, inaudible sound, that also we will discuss in the next lessons. 2 more lessons will be there for this chapter. Okay. First, when we will understand these things, then audible, inaudible, what is noise, what is noise pollution, this and that, and what is music, that we will be able to understand. So, frequency, number of oscillations or number of vibrations per second. बच्चों, फ्रीक्वेंसी का और टाइम पीरियड का बच्चों रिलेशन क्या हो गया? टाइम पीरियड one vibration. Frequency, number of vibrations or oscillations per second. So ये क्या बच्चों? इसका रेसिप्रोकल है, रिवर्स है. टाइम पीरियड अगर किसी चीज का आपने निकालना है, that is 1 divided by frequency. Suppose an object is vibrating 10 times in a second. Its frequency is 10. What will be the time period? 10 बार जाता है 1 सेकंड में, 0.1, हाउ वी विल अराइव एट दैट फिगर? 1 टाइम पीरियड मीन्स 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 इज इक्वल टू 0.1 इज इक्वल टू 0.1। ठीक है। सेम वे, इफ इट इज 20, 1 by 20 means 0.05, and if it is 500, 1 divided by 500 is equal to 0.002. That is the time period if the frequency is 500. Do you know, बच्चों? Buzzing of the insect you hear during the night. फर्स्ट लेसन में मैंने आप बताया था आपको कि रात को एक मच्छर भी भिन भिनाता है आपके कान के पास, आपको उसकी साउंड सुनाई देती है। और आपको मालूम है वो एक मॉस्किटो का जो विंग है कितनी बार फड़फड़ाता है, कितनी बार बैक एंड फोर्थ जाता है 1 सेकंड में। ऑन एन एवरेज a mosquito wings, they vibrate, they oscillate averagely 500 times in 1 second. That means the wings during vibrations of a mosquito takes 0.002 seconds. कितना कम टाइम लेते हैं। एक हम बोलते हैं 1 तो वो ऊपर नीचे कितनी बार हो गया? एवरेजली 500 टाइम्स। फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है? 500, मोर देन 20, मोर देन 20, मोर देन 20. We hear that sound. But when a pendulum is vibrating, we do not hear because its frequency is less than 20 hertz or less than 20 because frequency is measured in hertz. ठीक है? So now sound, I am repeatedly using few words and you are listening. What it is? They are coming to your ears through sound. जैसे बच्चों, the way a vibration is having three characteristics, that is amplitude, time period and frequency. Likewise, sound have the 3 characteristics. What? First is the loudness, second is the pitch, and third is the quality. Let's try to cover the loudness today, then we will end with our today's lesson. Loudness of sound depends on the amplitude of the vibrating object. Greater the amplitude, louder the sound will be. That means if the amplitude is less, it will be feeble. Higher the amplitude, louder is the sound. Lower the amplitude, feeble is the sound. और बच्चों क्या है? In fact, this loudness is what you can say directly proportional to the amplitude. जब directly proportional होता है बच्चों, that means in case I am increasing the amplitude of the amplitude means the maximum displacement. Suppose we take the example of a string. एक रबर स्ट्रिंग है बच्चों, वो रेस्टिंग पोजीशन में है। मैं इसको यहाँ हाथ से प्लग करके स्ट्रेच करता हूँ, छोड़ता हूँ। यहाँ इतना डिस्टेंस है, फिर द डिस्टेंस इज मोर, दैट मीन्स मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट है ये। इसने वाइब्रेट करना है इस रबर स्ट्रिंग ने, या वो जो आपकी गिटार की स्ट्रिंग है उसने। Here the amplitude, that means displacement from mean, ये mean position है रेस्ट के ऊपर, like this pendulum में वो चीज यहाँ वेल हो रही है बच्चों। So here the distance is more, distance is less. Higher the amplitude, the descent means amplitude, maximum displacement, amplitude. Higher the amplitude, louder is the voice, lower the amplitude, feeble is the sound. Feeble is the sound. Louder will be sound here. Feeble will be sound here when the amplitude is less. Amplitude is less. Loudness of sound depends upon the amplitude of the vibrating object. Greater the amplitude, louder the sound will be, or lower the it will be feeble. Actually क्या है? This loudness is directly proportional to the amplitude. वही मैं आपको बताने जा रहा था. If I am increasing, यानी ये यहाँ 2 centimeter है. If I am making it 4, that means double is the amplitude now here. From position A to position B, the amplitude of the vibrating object has been increased twice, double. Here, how much will be the loudness? Directly proportional means it will not double itself. It will be the scale of the amplitude. That means if amplitude is made 2 times, 2 का square root कितना बच्चों? 2 by 2, 4. Loudness will increase 4 times. And suppose if I make the amplitude half का square root क्या होगा बच्चों? 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. That means if you are reducing the amplitude to 1/2, the loudness of the sound, it will become feeble. Loudness of the sound will go by 1/4. यानी कि 1/4 रह जाएगी. 1/4 रह जाएगी. So this is the relationship between the what? Loudness with respect to the amplitude. Rest two characters, that is pitch and quality, though interrelated with frequency and amplitude, we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Enjoy your study. Any problem, contact me at my phone number. Thank you. Bye. Once again, I am repeating, in this lesson of dated 25th, we will be having 2 videos, part 3 and part 4, because of disturbance by the incoming call. Thank you.